Hello everyone. I want to share with you a few thoughts about a recent paper that Dr. Raja Singh, a trained architect, and myself, Arthur Frank, have published entitled, "Does the Presence of Asbestos-Containing Materials in Buildings Post-Construction and Before Demolition Have an Impact on Exposure to Occupants in Non-Occupational Settings?" As a physician and researcher, I've spent some 50 years studying the hazards of asbestos. And for this work, together we conducted a review of the peer-reviewed literature to focus on post-construction and pre-demolition activities in buildings with regard to the presence of asbestos. It turns out there are not many such studies. We selected some 19 papers from over 125 that were screened. We found that certain situations, when there was measurements and looking at the potential hazards, that there was no real conclusive answer because of the nature of the research. There has been very little research in this area, and we need to continue looking at these issues, but clearly, while the mere presence of asbestos is not necessarily a hazard, whenever it may be disturbed, then we are concerned that it may lead to illness among those who have such exposures. So the issue of asbestos in buildings is an important one, and actions need to be taken, such as at the School of Architecture here, where students are now being trained to not put asbestos-containing products into buildings. Thank you.